On June 27, 2025, a Valor Clinic was built at Basilio Fernando Air Base, Lipa City, Batangas, in partnership with the Philippine Air Force. The inauguration was made more auspicious by the presence of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., who spent quality time with veterans for a day of fellowship.
Since then, the Valor Clinic in Lipa City has been serving veterans and dependents from the provinces of Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, and Quezon in Region 4A, the region most densely populated with AFP retirees and their families. After a year of operation, the resounding success of the Valor Clinic has been witnessed by the Filipino veterans community, especially the lasting impact it has created in upholding the dignity and improving the quality of life of its patients.
Willardo de Mandal, 67 years old, sa Ibaan, Batangas. Dating Philippine Constabulary, AFP. 6 or 7 sa AFP bago naging PNP. Okay naman, hindi na mapapagod pumunta ng main sa Quezon City. Dito na lang sa Lipa. Excellent naman ma'am dahil magagalang sila, mababait at talagang tinututukan yung problema ng bawat retirado. Maraming salamat sa BMMC, sa Valor Clinic dito sa Lipa at sa mga ka-retirado na malapit dito malapit lang sa Batangas. Dito lang to sa Fernando Air Base ng Lipa City. Salamat po.
Papasalamat muna ako sa Valor Clinic kasi malaking bagay para sa mga retirees na malapit lang ang consultation namin dito. For the veterans, for your convenience, pumunta lang kayo sa Valor Clinic, Valor Medical Clinic. Sana wag sila magsawa sa pagseservisyo sa mga sundalo at ang kanilang mga kaanak. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako at nagkaroon ng Valor Clinic dito sa Lipa.
Ako po ay nagpapasalamat dito sa Valor pong ito at may mga gamot pong ibinibigay sila sa amin buwan-buwan. Maraming pong salamat.
Gusto nga, kaya nga kami dito na nagpapabalik-balik. Ako po kaming mag-asawa ay nagpapasalamat na nagkaroon dito ng Valor Clinic dahil dati pumupunta pa kami ng veterans sa Manila. Malaking bagay sa amin dahil matatanda na kami. Kami namang mga anak ay lahat ay malalayo at hindi kami masasamahan. Yun po lamang. Maraming salamat.
All these accomplishments were made possible by a dedicated medical team based in Lipa City who energetically run the clinic from Monday to Friday, as well as their reinforcement from the VMMC main hospital, who travel all the way from Quezon City every Valor Wednesday to assist with consultations, conduct laboratory and diagnostic tests, and dispense medicines to happy and satisfied clients.
Caritas Bandoy po, nurse dito sa Valor Lipa, proud to serve our veteran.
Ako po si Alex Desus ng Valor Lipa, handang tumulong at maglingkod sa ating mga veterano.
Jean Mayuga, nurse sa Valor Clinic Lipa City, buong pusong handang maglingkod para sa ating mga minamahal na veterano. Happy first anniversary Valor Clinic Lipa.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Isang sayang unang anibersaryo sa Valor Lipa. Alinsunod sa direktiba ni President Bongbong Marcos at ni Secretary Gibor Teodoro, andito po kami para magbigay ng dekalidad na serbisyong medikal sa mga veterano at ang kanilang mga pamilya. Muli, isang masayang unang anibersaryo sa Valor Lipa.
With the support and cooperation of key stakeholders and partners such as the Armed Forces of the Philippines and primarily the Philippine Air Force, Valor Clinic Lipa City hopes to achieve and do more for the veterans by further improving its services and reach.
Happy first anniversary to the Valor Clinic family of the Veterans Memorial Medical Center. May always be a place where people find not only care, but also hope, comfort, and strength. Here's to helping more veterans and their families and touching more lives.
Notably, during the 5th State of the Nation address of the President, Valor clinics were singled out among the government's accomplishments in terms of caring for the citizens' health and wellness.
Patuloy pa nating inaayos ang sistema ng mga ospital at mga pasilidad sa bansa, kasama ang mga bukas at mga specialty center. Mayroon din Valor Clinics na tanging para naman sa ating mga veterano at kanilang pamilya.
With full backing from the President and the Secretary of National Defense, the Valor Clinic in Batangas is set to soar to new heights in the coming years. As it reaches out to more patients, its delivery of quality and compassionate services contributes to the attainment of VMMC's vision of providing global standard multi-specialty healthcare, fulfilling its patriotic mission of healing heroes.
Happy 1-year anniversary, Valor Clinic Lipa!